So, welcome to LearnTV.com. We are excited that you're here with us. And today we want to just learn how to set up a Gmail account. It's very easy. You'll begin by creating a Google account. And during the quick sign up process, you'll choose your Gmail account name. And in this lesson, we will show you how to set up your Gmail account for Gmail. Thus, you will be able to learn how to add and edit contacts, and also how to edit your mail settings. So to set up a Gmail account, to create a Gmail account, you'll first need to create a Google account. Gmail will redirect you to the account sign up page. You will provide some basic information like your name, your date of birth, your gender, your location. You'll also need to choose a name for your new Gmail account. So what is it that you need? Once you create an account, you'll be able to start adding contacts and adjusting your mail settings. So to create an account, you go to www.gmail.com, then click there, create an account. That is how it'll look like. You will just click here, create an account, then click next. It will bring you details. So put your first name, second name, and username. It'll give you many suggestions. You can choose whatever you like, and it can also give you whatever. You can choose a preference name for yourself. Then you put your password, and then you click next. You can also view your password. Remember, to create a good password, you need to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So you click next. There, once you do that, you will receive a message verification with a code. So this letter says verify your phone number for your security Google account. Once you want to make sure that it's really you, so Google will send you a message with a 6-digit verification code. So you put in your phone number. Remember, you put in your phone number. In this step, you put in a phone number. This is where you put in a phone number to verify your account, because Google uses a 2-step verification process. Once you put in a phone number, go to the next, you'll get a verification code. You put in the verification code, then click verify. Once that happens, you're verified, you put in, then next you will see a form to enter some of your personal information, that is your name, your birthday. That's what you do. You put a recovery email address if you have, but this is optional. But I really recommend that if you have a recovery email address, you do that. Then put your date of birth, March 2nd, 1982, your gender, male or female, or there's an option you'd rather not say. Then you click next. Next, you review your Google terms of service and privacy policy. Then click. This is where you agree. And in this step, your account is already created. And just like any other online service, it's important to choose a strong password with words. So you have already done that, created your password. So when you first create an account, you will be automatically signed in. So most of the time, however, you will need to sign into your account and sign out when you're done with it. So signing out is especially important if you're using a shared computer. It may be a school office, a library, because it prevents other people from viewing your email. So when you want to sign in, go to www.gmail.com, type your username and password, and then click next. There it is. And then put in your password and you're logged in. To sign out, in the right top corner of the page, locate the circle that has your first initial, like this, first initial. Then if you already have an avatar image, it will show the image instead. So to sign out, click the circle and sign out. Click sign out. Mail settings. Occasionally, you may want to make adjustments to your Gmail to appear in appearance and behavior. So to do that, you could want to change the signature, verification reply, edit labels, change the theme. These adjustments can be made in your mail settings. So to access your mail settings, you click on the gear icon on the top right corner of the page, then select settings. The gear icon looks like this. Select settings. Then from here, you will click any of the categories that you want to edit from the top. These are the many things you can change. You can change the label, the inbox, the account, the filters. You can put all the settings here. So how do you add contacts in your Gmail? Like all other major email providers, Gmail lets you to keep an address book of contacts so that you don't have to memorize everyone's email address. You can also add the other contact information like phone numbers, birthdays, physical address, like this. So to add, you go to click Apps button. Then from there, choose Contacts. Click Contacts on the drop-down menu, Contacts. Then your contact screen will appear. Click Add New button in the lower right corner. This is where it is. Click Add New. Enter the contact information, then click Save. You put all the details, then you click Save. To edit a contact, this is what you do. In the Google Apps drop-down menu, select Contacts. That's the same way we did. Select Contact. Then locate the contact you want to edit, then click Edit Contact. This is the Edit Contact, looks like a pen. Click there. You can now make any changes you want in the contact. So to edit contact, you can do that. You have edited contact. Then by default, you can send an email to a new address. Gmail has the address to your contacts. You can then go to your contacts to edit the person's name as needed. How do you import mail and contacts? You may already have added a contact list from email addresses, and there will be a lot of work to re-enter all the information manually. Gmail allows you to import your contacts from another email account, and you can even import all your email messages from that account. Several email providers are supported, including Yahoo, Hotmail, and AOL. To add other accounts, click the gear icon on the top right corner of the page, then select Settings. To the account, click Add a Mail Account. You can then follow the instruction on the screen to import your mail. That is our account and mail, add mail. And this is a challenge for you I want you to do as you complete this lesson. If you do not have a Gmail account, create one, open Gmail, navigate to your Gmail settings, select your preferences in the Gmail settings, then add a new contact. You can add a new one already, if you like, you can create this one. You can put this one for me. Thank you guys for watching in. I am excited that you are learning something from the Learn TV. Always check in. Please remember to click on the subscribe button. This is what I want you to do. Go to the account, Learn TV, go right there. It's loading. Okay, just enjoying me. Just leave it. Just give it a few seconds. You will see what I want you to do. Okay, let me leave it. Let me get to something I want you to do. I want you to go to my channel, the Learn TV, just here where you are watching this. Then remember, this is what I want. This is what I want you to do. I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. Click the subscribe button, then click the bell. Remember to like, then you can always leave a comment. Thank you so much. God bless.